Built on a Isuzu chassis model QL1120 AJLAY with a 3815毫米 wheelbase, this export vacuum sewage truck is designed for Central Asia and demanding low-temperature environments. It features a total mass of 11,995 kilograms, ready mass of 3,770 kilograms, diesel fuel system, GB1769120-1H National VI emission standard, 4HK, 1 TCG, 6.1 engine, my 6 transmission abs, 2 axles, and 8.25 R2016 PR tires. The upper assembly adopts a circular integrated tank with 8 mm thickness and a total volume of 8 cubic meters, including about 1 cubic meter of clean water and 7 cubic meters of sewage. The tank bottom is partially covered with 1.5 mm stainless steel. 201 material. The cleaning system is equipped with a PTF EUV215 L-flow pressure pump, filter, blow valve, 50-meter high-pressure hose, multi-way valve, remote control, high-pressure pump throttle, automatic discharge device, mine gun head, and puncture gun head. The suction system uses a JUROP PN155 vacuum pump with 1,100 revolutions per minute speed. 910 立方 H displacement, 19 kilowatts power, vertical suction within 10 meters, horizontal suction within 50 meters, 10-meter sewage pipe, overflow system, filter, silencer, safety valve, and water oil separator. Other configurations include hydraulic rear opening and tightening device, hand washing device, DN100, pneumatic cleaning valve, PN150, pneumatic sewage valve, reinforced rear seal, electrophoresis, septic windows, polished top platform, stainless steel fence, stainless steel toolbox and tail accessories, LED lighting, fire hydrant inlets, aluminum side protection, hard hydraulic oil pipes, black cat cleaning machine, and 15-meter washing reel with handheld cleaning gun.